Hello and welcome back to the channel. AV. Seem to have had a little blue car that's just parked there, which is ruining my shot. And we have a man over here figuring out how to use a drone. But this is the latest setup, so I've got a slider and I'm just resting it on a tripod at the moment to try and film an M4. And I just got a white 5 Series that's just pulled in the car park anyway. But yeah, it's early frosty morning, and yeah, this is the setup. So I thought I'd just show you. I'm using a slider with a ball mount and a digital SLR camera that I've bought, and actually getting some pretty good sliding shots. Hopefully my hand's not covering the microphone because I'm filming this on my phone. So that's one thing I'm going to have to learn. We're trying to get a drone going, but we're having some technical... Oh, we've got the thumbs up now, so we might have liftoff in a moment. But yeah, this is what I'm doing at the moment. Oh, and the drone's... Oh, we have liftoff. Yep. So the drone's actually in the sky. Actually, you can see that quite nicely. We've got no cloud this morning, so it's quite cold, but quite a nice morning for doing some filming. So so yeah, this is the setup basically. So hello, this is well, it's me. This is very amateur basically. We're not aiming high here, but we've had a play around with a drone and a video slider, and I've shown you a little bit behind the scenes. So now there is some videography on the channel, but the budget, there's been a slight budget increase for this video because I've managed to persuade someone to film with their car with me, and it's a 2014 BMW M4, and this video is going to be three, right? Yeah, it's 3 mods. What are we saying? Under £100. So I think for everyone that's bought a BMW M4, what, 5 years ago now? No, 4 and a bit years ago. I think £100 is probably appealing to most to do some tasteful modifications. And as I'm walking around this car, it definitely deserves some tasteful modifications. So for under £100, modification number one is this badge, and as you can see, it focuses, it's been blacked out, so it's the M4 badge in black, and on a white car I think it looks superb. And this will cost you how much? It can be yours for £25. So for number one, that's what I would do for under £100. Number two is still kind of on the outside inside, puddle lights. Yeah, so number two is puddle lights, although I can't really demonstrate those for you at the moment. But what happens basically is if you open the door like this, like so, and it's worth pointing out, this is definitely not an official BMW product, but what you can do is you can get aftermarket lights. I don't know whether you'll be able to see under here, probably not, but yeah, under there's a light unit that will shine M4. Does it shine M4 on the... Yeah, it shines M4 basically on the ground. So you can get out your car and you go, check me out, I've got M4 lights. What have you got? But yeah, that's a feature. That's how much was that one? £20. 20. So we're saying to get a puddle light. A set of. So obviously, we just got a car coming in there. So to get 2 puddle lights, obviously one for each door. It's a 2-door vehicle, obviously. We're saying that's less than the black rear badge. So there you go. Snap yourself up a bargain there for 20 quid. You can get. I might try and find these on eBay and post links in the description below. It comes standard on the M4 competition, doesn't it? Yeah, so I think the M4 competition is definitely worth it just for this feature, I think. And what you'll find is there's always a problem when you go to start your car, I feel like my button's not red enough. So to overcome this problem, you can actually change your button, the start button. If it focuses, it's there. Yeah, it's there. You can change that to red. Comes as black as standard. And can you specify that as red from factory? No, you can't. But there's definitely a non-BMW aftermarket mod for less than £100. I'd possibly count these stickers as well, because I definitely rate a little bit of so you got M Performance down here. If that focuses. And again, you know, on a white car you get maximum contrast, so nice, relatively cheap, tasteful modifications. And in the next video we'll be doing modifications for, well, I'd say £400 or three to £400, but we'll step that up from £100, and you can probably tell some of the modifications that have already been done to this car just having a walk round. But yeah, that's it for the video, so thanks guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah, I think that's it. Is that it? Yep.